score.
Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo, pass to jersey number 27. Pass to jersey number, balik sa kanya bola din guard. Pass to jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 20, no good. Second try, no good para na Ribolino. Jersey number 11, pass to jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, jersey number 24, pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 8, hawak pa rin ang bola. Jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 7, Barrero. Numero no good. Dapat ni jersey number 6, Nick Wasta. Jersey number 6, dribbling the ball. Jersey number 6, pass to jersey number 23. No good. Dapat ni jersey number 8, Aguinaldo. Jersey number 8, dribbling the ball. Chilang daw. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to jersey number 27. Jersey number 27, pass to jersey number 7, Barrero. Numero 7. Dapat jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 1, pass to jersey number 23. Balik kay Nick Wasta, ang bola tumira. 2-4-2. Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo, pass to jersey number 27. Jersey number 27, Jimmy pass to jersey number 8. Balik sa kanya bola 15 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 27, Bullhard. 10 seconds. Jersey number 8, tumira ng press. Pass up now, press contest. Jersey number 20, Jimmy the ball. Pass to jersey number 24. Chuoco. Pass again to jersey number 23, Lagaras, tumira ng press. Kaplas, naman jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo, jersey number 1. Receive time out to the jersey number 8 ulit. 15 seconds to shoot. Tingin na lang to rest, no good, very jersey number 6. Jersey number 6, tingin na lang pass to jersey number. Pass to jersey number. Sino na ko jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, tumira na good. Ito jersey number 8, Aguinaldo. Jersey number 8, tingin na lang. Pass to jersey number 27, Bigard. Pass to jersey number 24. Time out, Roca. Remaining 1 minute and 14 seconds to lead. Score 2 natin, 17-11. Lamang ang Roca. Bench po na mga kapatid for bench to follow. Warning. That's the ball game. Let's continue our first quarter for this match between Irapuato and Roca. Jersey number 24, Chilapua, dribbling the ball. Jersey number 24, pass to jersey number 6. Jersey number 10, no good. Exactly 1 minute to play. Jersey number 28, Santana dribbling the ball. Tumira, no good. Very good, jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, hawak pa rin ang bola pass to jersey number 24. Tumira, defensive. Jersey number 23, pass to jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 6, 15 seconds shutdown. Jersey number 6, pass to jersey number 9. Number 12, jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 24, no good. Then jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 24, Chilapua. Jersey number 24, Tumira. Well, the second is to shoot.